Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use Murf AI. So for that you need to open up Google and then search for Murf AI, and just open up the very first link that you will see in the search results. Just open it up and sign up for a new account. And after signing up, this is how it will ask you for some information like your first name and the type of work that you will be doing. So just provide the details. Then it will ask you to create a workspace for you. Just create one workspace, and after that this is how it will appear. Now let's walk around and see how it all works. So here you can type any text over here and then use this text to generate audio. And if you want to change your voice, or the person who is speaking this, or the AI who is actually speaking this text, you can just click on it, and here you will find plenty of options to choose from. Just choose any of them appropriately and according to your needs and requirements. You can also filter out by clicking on this option of language and choose the language appropriately. And you can also choose the gender and age group of a particular person. And if you don't have Pro, then you can just simply click on it and see all the other voices which are not available for Pro people. So after searching for a perfect voice for you, you can simply apply it, change the pitch of it, speed of it. You can also add pauses to it. And in case if you already have a script and you just want to import that script, then you can just simply click on this option of import a script on the left hand side. And after that you would be able to use any AI voice for this, and your script would be narrated by that particular voice. And if you want to change voice for your video or audio, you can upload it and also change the voice of your projects. So this is how you do it, and you just have to export it afterwards. It gives you 10 minutes in the starting for you to use and see how it all works. And after completion of all the 10 minutes, you would have to buy the paid version of it. And while exporting, we also get some different options for voice and videos and all the other things. We can just export it according to our needs and requirements. So this is how you use a Murf AI. And I hope this video was helpful. If you still need any help, you can always comment down below. Our team will be happy to help you out. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.